in the school GIS. Today my project is upon smart car. So here you've got two chassis. So one of these chassis has 4 motors and each motor has one steering or driving motor. So here you have got a battery box which will give power to the whole car. Here you have one Arduino processor which controls the car. And here you have got a sensor motor, a joint sensor motor which will move the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor moves left and right and sees if there are any obstacles in front of it. Here you have got another sensor which will track lights and colors. Here you have got a remote, and here are the 4 wheels. So I guess now we have done everything, and so once we have assembled the whole car, we'll give it in the next video. Thank you.